Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can hide your WhatsApp status from your contact. Maybe you don't want a particular person to view your WhatsApp status. I'm going to show you how to do that in WhatsApp. Please, I would like you to watch this video to the end. Give a thumbs up to this video if this is your first time of coming to my channel, or you have been coming but yet adamant to subscribe. I would like you to hit on that subscribe button. Also, hit on the notification bell so that I get notified each time I drop a new video. And I also like that you like this video so that many people can get access to it. So right here I'll go to my WhatsApp, and if at all you are using WhatsApp, this is how the WhatsApp chat will display. So you come to updates. Where you have updates here, it will lead you to the status. Okay, now here is my status. I have not put up any status yet. Alright, now in case, let's assume I've already uploaded the status, a timeline, and I don't want some certain people to see it. Yeah, I'll come here at this top right hand corner. You have uploaded your status. I don't want a particular person to see. Click on these three buttons here, these three dots. Alright, you click on status privacy. Now you see three options. The first option is my contact. You have my contact except, only share with. Now these are the people you want to, my contact here. The first option is the people you want to see your status. You say who can see my status. This is the right up here, who can see my status. Number one is my contact. Number two is my contact except. The last one is only share with. So if you want the whole of your contact to view your status, you check the first option. If you want your contact but except some particular people to view your status, you click the second option, then you click excluded. Now this is my contact list. You choose the people that you don't want to see your status. Then now for the last option, you say only share with. Now these are the people you wish to share your status with. The same, you click included, and we give you can from here choose the number of people you wish to share your status with. So that is how you can add privacy to your status, so that particular people from your contact view your status. So if you find this video helpful, I'd like you to hit on that subscribe button. Also like this video. Thanks for watching.